Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohit Kumar, and I am a student of BSc IT second year. And today I am here to present my presentation on the subject Object-Oriented Programming using C++ under guidance of Amit Shukla sir. So, as we all know, in OOPS we have learned about many component of OOPS like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and data hiding. But today I will basically discuss on the topic polymorphism. So as you see, polymorphism, it is the combined of two words, that is poly and morphism. The word poly means many and morph means different form. So as you see, the word polymorphism is the basically say that a single name that perform many function. In programming language, we suppose a function with the same name but different parameter. As you see example, in shopping mall, a boy behave like a customer for seller, and in bus behave like a passenger for driver. And in the next slide, polymorphism is basically two type: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism further divided into two types: function overloading and operator overloading. Function overloading and operator overloading. And runtime is also categorized into one form, that is virtual function. So today I will basically take example of function overloading. So as you see, I have created here a class print. Under the print class, I have taken a public access specifier. I created a function display, and same function created a void display, but function name is same but their parameter is different. Here I have used int x, here I have used double x. And I will show the live coding. As you see in this example, here I have used class name image and public access aspire public, and I have created a function name fun, and inside have give a statement if I am the function with argument, and same function name fun, and here I have taken a parameter int x, and inside the this function I have given a statement I am the function with int argument. Same I have created the function fun, but the different parameter string Mohit, and I have created a statement I am the function with string argument. So let's say the output of this code. And the output of this code is, here this is the output of this code. I have first call the function name. uh, I have called for function name in the int main section. First I have called fun a string name. So here it say I am the function with string name. Second I have called the function with no argument. So here the output will say no argument. And the third one is I have call function with int argument, int parameter. Then it show the int argument. So that's all from, thank you.